Hey guys, it's Safety Security Alert here today, and we're here for my 200 subscriber special. Alright, so I just want to say thank you guys so much for getting me to 200 subscriber special. To 200 subscribers. I really appreciate it, and I feel like I was just at 15. Like, it went by so quick, and it's just like it's amazing. Anyway, so in this video, I'm going to be setting off some different alarms, like for example, wheel lock and then wheel lock, like 2 or 3 wheel lock and then simplex and gentex and stuff, you know. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. I mean, and I just want to say, I was on vacation for a long time, all different trips, and starting school, and we had a school trip and everything, and a lot of stuff happening, but that's over. Every weekend and Tuesday and stuff, I'm gonna try to make as many videos as I can. But yeah, let's just get ready for it. So let's get into the video. Alright everybody, so I'm in my bedroom here, as you can see. This is the bedroom system and everything. But yeah, I hooked up my Firelight BG12 with the Hex. I hooked the Firelight BG12 up. There's the batteries. I hooked it up to my system sensor SR, my P2R, and my HRK. The advances. Yep. And my wiring is all different kind of wires, but you just bear with me for right now. But anyways, this is going to be extremely loud, and I have ear protection on. So let's just do this in 3, 2, 1. Ah! Ouch! The oh my God, they're uncooking. I don't know if I can do it. Oh my gosh, guys. I think my ears are probably almost blown out. Woo! That was crazy. So we obviously just did the advances. So now let's do the classics. So I've got my Spectral Alert Classic P2475, Fix 75 Candela, and Code 3 horn. And my system sensor H1224K, I think it is, horn only. So in my I do have a strobe only, but sadly it stopped working for some reason. But I still have the Firelight BG12, so let's do it. Let's push in. Hold on. Loud. Okay. Woo. Okay. Oops, sorry. There we go. Alrighty. Alright, guys. So now I hooked up EST. Yay. One of my favorites. So here for the pole station, I put up my, or not put up, but I put my EST SIGA pole station, but I made it conventional. You can see on the back. And yeah, so here we have my EST Genesis G1 RW VM, I think it is. G1 RR VM, I don't know. Strobe only. And my G1 HD VM Genesis horn strobe. Okay, guys, sorry about that. The wire popped out. So, anyways, the wire fell off the battery. Alright, anyways, so, yeah, it's a little messy. But anyways, let's lift and pull. It's pretty loud. And sing. Oh, whoops. Huh. Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay, let's reset this. Alrighty. Sorry about that, the wire fell off the battery, so yeah. Alrighty, so now let's do the integrity. Yay. Okay, so yeah, I have my Edwards 757-718 Enhanced Integrity horn strobe, 1575 Cadella, and it's on fixed code 3. And I can say that I think this is my favorite alarm. I just really, really like the sound of it. And for the pulsation, I have my ME 708-000-00, rebranded Edwards 270 SPO, and my Edwards one is completely stripped and beat up, so I'm just using this one. It's rebranded by ME. Anyways, so let's do this. Here we go. Alright, let's see if I can do this with one hand. Ah. Oh, I did it. There we go. Alright, guys, so now I have my Siemens UMH UMCS hooked up with my Faraday 6235, rebranded Siemens UNH. And I have my couch chevron hooked up, and the reason I'm holding it is because it's stripped. So yeah, it's already open, so that's why I'm kind of holding it shut. Anyways, so let's do this. This is gonna be extremely loud. 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay, that was the loudest ones I've done yet. Woo! Okay, alright. There you go. Alright, guys, you see that, right? We're going to do the Commander 3s now. Whoops, the wire fell off. There we go. Alright, so as you can see, for the pole station, I have my very extremely rare Tyco Integrated Security TIS BG12LX addressable pole station. And yeah. So I have my Gentex Commander 3 with the red strobe, Gentex Commander 3 with the green strobe. And I would have used my low frequency sounder and stuff too, but they're in the system. Sneak peek. Okay. So yeah, let's push in, pull down. Alright. Alright. So as you can see, there's the adjustable module, and there's the model number. But it actually is working because what I did was that terminal usually is there, but I moved it to there, and it pretty much bypasses the module. So, yep, there you go, Gentex and Tyco. Alright, it's Wheelock AS time. So, yeah, I've got my 2 ASs by Wheelock. See? I don't know if you can see it. Alright, and I got one of my 4250-120s as the pole station. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ouch. Okay, I'm gonna just stop it right now. Okay. Alrighty, so now it's time to do these. So, first up we have my Johnson Controls BG10L. Up here we have my Wheelock NS 24 MCW, set on 15 Candela Code 3. And next to it we have my, well, Siemens ZH MCW. But it's not, because look, it says Wheelock on it, right? So it's like, so you're thinking, what? It's a Wheelock ZNS. But it really isn't, because you can see it says Siemens in there. Basically, they just forgot to put a Siemens sticker on it. But surprisingly, they don't sync up. I thought they would, but they don't. Okay, 3, 2, 1. That's loud. Wow. Alright. There you go. Alright, guys. So for this round, I have a Simplex True Alert, model 4903-9425, conventional SmartSync / non-SmartSync, or free run, I meant. And I just have the strobe hooked up. I was going to hook up the horn too, but my jumpers were not cooperating. So strobe flash is really slow for some reason. And this is my Simplex 2901-9838 horn on the 4903. Or no, 2903, and a 102 light plate, which is not hooked up. I just wanted to mount the horn on it. So this will flash really slow. And then here I have my ADT Simplex T-bar. And I'll show you the inside after. So push in and pull down. Ah! That's loud. Oh, there it goes. Well. Oh, well, it did flash. Yeah, I think it might be set to SmartSync. I don't know, but that was extremely loud. And if you guys want to see that it's ADT, I'll open it up and show you. See, ADT Security Services. So it's an ADT rebrand, and it's conventional. See, this is back. Alright, last thing we're going to test is my 4904 strobe and my ADT Simplex T-bar. Push in, hold on. Yep, it's 110 Candela, and that's really bright. And we'll reset it. Okay. Okay, there you go. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I really appreciate it. And also thank you again for 200 subscribers. And, sorry, something came up. Thanks for 200 subscribers. I can't talk today. Thanks for 200 subscribers. It's like unbelievable. And I just really appreciate it, you guys. And, if you're not already subscribed, be sure to subscribe. And let's hope we see some awesome videos coming soon. So yeah, and I know that this video could have been a little bit better, but I tried my best, and the wires just kept like failing and stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video anyway. So thank you for watching. I will see you guys in another coming up video. Bye.